Hey friends, I'm Henry with BrainStormAcres, and I'm recording this in the truck. There's no big problem, except cell service at our site is horrible. I tried using a FedEx location, and it told me it was going to take 4.5 hours to upload a video. So, unfortunately, no video is up today. Oh, by the way, PG&E, which is the local electric company, decided they have to shut off power to a bunch of people, including the area where we are right now. So, there's no electricity. Thanks for watching. Look for our next upload on BrainStormAcres Monday. Take care.